welcome to Imanni Music Online Lessons, where we learn how to make music mental health solutions in your life. Hi, my name's Imanni. I write music for mental health awareness, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Before we get started, let's make sure that our bodies are ready for playing. So let's loosen up a little bit and make sure that you stretch out as well and have some good posture. Have an L shape going on with your chair and your body. Also, make sure that your arms are creating an L shape as well. Last but not least, make sure that your hands are nice and loose and flexible and allow them to drape down with gravity. Let's take a deep breath in and let it out. While you're exhaling, allow your shoulders to drape down as well and have no tension. There's also a way for you to drape them too far down and you have tension in that way. You don't want that either. Allow them to just naturally relax wherever they sit best. Okay, y'all? Now, since our bodies are ready for playing music, let's make sure that our minds are as well, with a mental health quote from Voltaire. I have chosen to be happy because it is good for my health. So, while you're playing music, have you ever noticed that you play music differently when you're smiling? So while you're playing music this time, practice smiling a little bit. Yes, sometimes there's some points where things are frustrating. Don't suppress that. Allow yourself to feel anxious. Allow yourself to feel stressed. But then, after you express those emotions, take a moment to smile and try playing a little bit, especially with this upcoming lesson. Now, since we were able to sing these on ba, now let's sing them with some solfege. Solfege is the way that we can sight sing music. It allows us to put syllables to certain pitches on the piano. So, in this case, this note is do. You can reference our scales video for more information about finding the actual note names. But as a quick review of it, the scale goes as the following. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Awesome. So we start out with do. Do. The next note, after we internalize it, is mi. Mi. And our third note, after we internalize it, is sol. 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 You'll notice that when you're singing different syllables, sometimes air will flow faster out of your mouth. For example, have you ever been to the doctor's and you had to take a breathalyzer exam where you're blowing into a device and maybe blowing leaves off a tree, or simply blowing into a device as far, as they say far, but really as with as much force and as much pressure as you can do for the system? It's a similar process when you're singing different solfege. For example, let's take the solfege do. Do ends with an O at the end. Anytime you sing something with an O, you can even look at your mouth and see that it has kind of an O shape. And it allows air to quickly flow out of your mouth. As a result, it takes a little bit more air to sing for longer for singing those words. For example, let's take the word soul. Soul. Definitely prepare yourself by taking a deep breath in, using the lower part of your stomach, and then singing it. Soul. Allowing that air to slowly be pressed out of your lungs and out into the space around you.